go to bed. Yep, and guys, we're to bed. Yep, we're going to bed, Tickety. Yep, so guys, it's gonna be great. Yep. Yep, so guys, we are going to bed because it's so dark here. But what if it's so scary, Mr. Label? No, Drake, it's not gonna be scary. Okay, so my dog. Mr. Scar. Yeah. Let's go get our blankets. Where you gonna sit? Honestly, here. You wanna sleep up there, Drake? Yeah, because it's a nice bunk bed up here. Yeah, guys, a bed. You know, Mr. Lightbulb, it is a bunk bed. Yeah. How about we sleep here? Yes, it's kind of that is the great spot to sit at. Yeah. Yep. Alright, so let's go get our blankets. You have to turn on the light before we go sleep soon. Oh yeah. Yo, you gotta turn on the light. Yep. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna get some blankets. So take yeah. I got your blanket. Oh, so you got mine? Sure do. Oh. Mr. Where's your blanket? Oh, I have to get mine too. Yeah. Mr. How about you sit here? Yeah, I bet that's great. Yeah, it is. Yep. Yep. Well, maybe we can sit together right over here in this spot. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So, Mr. Scar. Yeah. Now get blankets. Yep. Yep. Alright, yep, let's get our blankets. Yep. Yep. So, Mr. Scar, we all have to scoot over to this side. Yeah. Okay. So, Mr. Scar? Yeah. I think you have to scoot over here. Yeah, but this. Yeah, you are, Mr. Scar. Yep. Yep. Jake, is y'all getting yourself ready? Yup, we are. Alright. Yup. So, Tickety, how about you put your pillow here? Yeah, this is. I think this is a cool spot. It is. Yeah, look, I'm laying in this pillow. Yeah. Alright, let me get my blankets. Get the basket over here. Like with this basket. So here is the basket. Where our blankets is. Yep. Y'all got something? I think we is this this is our pillow right here. It's a gray pillow. Oh, this guy, you gonna have to move it. Yeah. Alright, so this is where y'all want to sleep at? Yup. Alright, so y'all lay down. Mr. Car, put the blanket so we can lay down. Yeah. Yup. Ooh, this is scary. Drake, you'll be fine. Okay, if you say so. Alright, so let me put your blankets up there. Yup, and this is where we're gonna sleep at. Yep. Yup. So look, guys, look at our blankets. We're all cuddled up. Yep. Yup. Now, I'm gonna get my blanket. Where's my pillow? Oh, there it is. Alright, so here's my pillow. Look at your pillow. I can believe it. I do. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have to use some of your covers too. Yeah, Mrs. Carr, you're gonna have to use mine because this card is too big. I know. Yeah, it is. Oh, Mrs. Carr. Yep, it looks like we're in this pillow. Yup. Alright, so now we all look ready. Yup. Yep, we do. Yep. Yep, and Mr. your curtain. Oh yeah, maybe it's open. Yeah, Mr. Scar, you got your curtain. Yep, so I can fold that like that. Yep, Mr. Scar, looks like we're sleeping under here. I know. Yeah. Y'all want some TV? Ooh, it is breezy out here. Yes, it's breezy. Yep, it is. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna put this in. Yup. Alright. Oh, it's breezy. It is. Yeah. Yes, this car, you hear the breeze outside? I do. Yeah. Look, this car, it's cold. I know. Yeah. Y'all hear the breeze outside? Yo, this car, we do. Yeah. Yup. No, Mr. Car, let's go to sleep. Yeah. Yup. Mr. Car, shut off lights. Hey. Yup, Mr. Car, no, I'm scared. It's nothing to be scared about, Drake. Okay. I guess. Alright, so let's go to sleep. Let me get my blanket. Yes, sir. Look at the breeze outside. Yeah, and look, we're sleeping with the window. Yeah, it's nice and cozy. It is. Yup. Good night, sir. Good night, Tiffany. Yup. Good night, Drake. Yup, and I want to get out of bed. I want to sleep with Mr. Race. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm getting out. What was that noise? What was that noise? I'm getting out of here. Oh my gosh. Drake, what are you doing? Oh, I'm scared. I'm going to Mr. car. I'm so scared. Drake, get back in the bed. You can't. You know what? I heard a strange noise. Oh my gosh, Drake, I heard it too. Yo, it was it cracked or something. I don't know what that was. Yeah. I want to see Mr. Race Car. I want to see Mr. Race Car. Mr. Race Car, get up. Mr. Race Car, get up. I heard the noise. Drake. You heard a big noise. No, you did not. Now get back in that bed. No, Mr. Race Car. I swear I heard a big noise. Drake. You better get back in the bed and before I come and drag you in the bed. Monster's car. I heard that big noise and it was a crack. Drake, it's just windy outside. Oh. Well, I think I should go back in the bed. Alright, let's go back in the bedroom. I need to go to sleep. Okay. I'm scared. I'm so scared. What happened, Drake? I told Mr. Car, but he told me to get back in bed. I know, Drake. That was so scary. There was not a noise. I don't know what Drake is talking about. Maybe it is so windy. I just feel like I hear something like cracking. Oh my god, I'm gonna go back down there. I swear something's cracking. Oh my gosh. Something's cracking down here. What's the race car? I can't sleep. The noise, the wind. It's so creepy. Drake? Yeah. Oh, just come in my room. Okay. Mr. Race car, you will hear it. It sounds weird. You hear that? Yeah. Yeah. We go pick Mr. Race car. Okay. Tickety, get up. I hear weirdness. I heard something. I know it's cracking. Yeah. And, Tickety, maybe let's bring the TV over and have some hot cocoa. Youngster's car, that was my idea. I wanted something to drink and eat something. I'm super starving. Alright, so let's make a drink. What the? Youngster's car? That was what I heard. Oh my god, I'm getting out of here. What was that? I don't know. I'm scared. That noise. I know what you're taking. Let's get out of here. Yeah, I'm so scared. I know Tickety. Yeah. Who was that noise? That scared me. Where's Drake? Where's Drake? Where's Drake? Where's Drake? Where's Drake? Gosh, where is Drake? Gosh, let me go. Oh, Drake, what are you doing? What are you guys doing? You remember? I heard yours. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh! I'm so scared. You know, listen to the wind out there. It's so creepy. And yeah, it's so creepy. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Um, you guys want to sleep in my bed? Yeah. I want to sleep in your bed. Next, I drink. Oh yeah. Blankets down here. Yeah, let me get your blanket. Okay. Yo, I don't know what was that noise, but I'm staying down here. Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Race Car? Yeah. It is middle of the night. It is. Check, what are you doing up there? You want to sit down here or you want to sleep up there? I want to sit down here. Okay. So let me get you a blanket. Yeah, because I don't know what was that strange noise and it scared us. It did scare us. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Race Car, maybe you can move the blanket just like that. Oh yeah, look. Yeah, I get to sit right here. Yeah, that is perfect. What the heck? I hear the wind again. I know. Yeah, it's so creepy. That's why I want to stay out here. What if something happens? And it's right. Select back, yes, sit there. Okay. Ooh. Yo, Mr. Race Car, can we watch some TV? Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is so comfy right here now. Like, it's right here, right? Like, oh, that's not scary. You. Alright, it's freezing here. Yeah, Mr. Race Car, because you left the window open. I sure did. You're right, Tickety. Yep. Cocoa? You love cocoa. Alright, y'all want some hot cocoa? Yeah, it's our favorite because that scary thing scared me. Yes, it did. You. Yup. Let me fix you some hot cocoa. So I'm gonna get the coffee maker. This is a coffee maker. So we're gonna make us some hot cocoa. Yup, and that's our peace and quiet hot cocoa. Yeah, and you guys are gonna enjoy it. So where's my hot cocoa thing? Oh, there it is. So here's some hot cocoa. This is hot cocoa. So I'm gonna pour it in there. Great. So you guys have some hot cocoa to drink. I love hot cocoa. Yep, I know you guys do. Yup, so those are hot cocoa right here. Yeah, we started it up. Yup, so Mr. Press the gray button. Yeah. Oh my god, I hear it again. I know you get it. Yeah. So I'm at the button now. Alright, so guys, it's gonna be racing. Yo, Mr. Race Car. Rainbow cups. Alright, y'all want the rainbow cups? I think white cups would be better. You for cocoa. Yeah, cocoa. Yeah. And it's gonna be great. It's a storm outside. It is a storm. Yeah. Tiffany, you enjoying the storm? Yeah, I am enjoying the storm. Yep. Yep. So we get you a hot cocoa. We get the cups. Yup, that's our cups. Yep. So here you go. Well, this is mine. Yup, that's your hot cocoa card. Yep, and let me get it. Here's it. And that's our cups. And oh, Mr. Yep. Yep. And here you go, drink. Yup, that's my cocoa cup. And then I have is this iPad. Yup, now we have to wait till the hot cocoa right. Yeah. Yup. Yup, Mr. Car, take it out. Yup. Huh? Mr. Race Car, it's 5 o'clock a.m. Yeah. So, here you go. I'm gonna pull in your house. Yup. I don't want to use a iPad. Yup. There it again. There you go. Yeah. So let me put your hotel. And now, I'm gonna put Drake's shh. And then mine. Then to this. Here you go, Tiffany. Yep. And then Drake's. Alright, guys, and your hot cocoa is ready. That's our hot cocoa. Yep. Right here. Okay. Alright, so Tiffany, I'm gonna put your hot cocoa over in mine. Yeah, Mr. Scar, because you have to fit in. Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah. Yep. And do you guys want to play Roblox? I think we'll like to watch something. Okay. Oh. Alright. You can take your covers off. Okay. Now we're gonna test the cap. Yep. Let's see. Yep. Yep. So basically, I'm gonna have to set yours up here, and then we're gonna have to set mine here. So I'm gonna try my cocoa. So good. Yep, and I'm gonna try my cocoa. Cocoa. Thank you, Tiffany. You're welcome, Mrs. Card. So I'm gonna try my hot cocoa. It's so great. Wait, guys, do you guys? Our hot cocoa is so cold. Yeah. Oh my God, it's cold. I know. Let me heat your hot cocoa. Okay. So here's Drake's, and then that is mine. Then I get and then Drake's. I mean the libraries. Alright. So let me set the timer for 1, 2, 3. Now click it. Alright, yeah, haircut. Yep, it's gonna be ready. Yep, y'all want some I'll cook you I'll make y'all some ice cream. Y'all just cause we love ice cream. And then you guys do. So you get under there. Alright, so let me get some ice cream. Yep, and I think I will like this kind of ice cream. Alright, let me put your ice cream in there. Yup. Then what do you guys call these? Well, yeah, the light bug. Yep. Oh, Drake, I know you love grapes. Yes, you almost put grapes in here. Yeah. Yup. And Mr. Lightbug, would you like Alright, so there is your food right there. Yup, and Mr. Racecar, you wash the grapes. Yeah. Let me wash the grapes. Oh my God, Mr. Racecar, I'm gonna have to scoop over here. Yep. Yup. So I'm gonna wash grapes and turn on the faucet. Turn on that. I think the storm stopped. Yeah, it did. Yeah. So let me put some water in the grapes. Yeah. Great here to grapes. Yup. Yep. Yup. There it is. No, the storm didn't stop yet. Yeah, it really didn't. Yeah. Alright, and then, Tiffany, would you like the pink ice cream? Yep, I love the pink ice cream. Alright, so here's Tiffany's ice cream. Yep. And then I like the chocolate ice cream. I love chocolate. So, Mr. Iskar, here's our food. Yep, I'm just gonna set it over here. We can set it here. Yup. Everybody taste your food. Okay, and it's ready. Yeah, the hacker is ready. Yup, so that's my cocoa. Oh, here's my cocoa. And then I get is slide bag. Yep, here's mine. Oh. And then I got is mine. And then I got, well, Tiffany's and mine's. Alright, so now let's taste. Let's taste our stuff. Yup. Yup. So this kind, yep. I think I love this one. It's the I'm gonna use. Oh, it's here. Here. Yeah. Yo, come in, come in. Come in. Come in. Who was not answering? Oh my gosh. Nobody's not answering. What should I do, you guys? Nobody's answering. Oh my gosh, this card. Shut the line. Shut the line. Okay. Oh my god. What if it's a stranger, you guys? Mr. Card. I'm scared. Yeah, what if it's a stranger? It could be. It's me! Who is that? Oh, it's me, Snowman! Oh, well, what are you doing? Why are you coming up? It's 5:30. Yeah, I get to your house because I'm scared. Oh, come in. Okay, I'm coming. Now we can't open up our blinds because that was Mr. Snowman. He scared us. Yo, we thought that was a stranger. Yeah, we thought that. Yo, woo! I thought that was a stranger. Yo, we thought that was a stranger. Yeah, like a really stranger. Yo, this just coming from our house. Yeah. Yo. Oh, hi, Mr. Snowman. Hi, Mr. Card. Want to eat with us? Yeah, I am super freezing outside. Alright, that's where they're sitting at. Okay. So let me go sit over there. Oh, hi, Mr. Snowman. You came with us. Yep, I came to join you guys. Yup. And did you hear the storm? Yeah, I could not see because of all that storm and stuff. Yeah, it was so scary. Yeah. Do you guys watch the backyard? Yeah, type in the Samurai Pie. The backyard. Yeah, let me type in that. Yeah, we get to watch the Samurai Pie. Yes, Sunrise Pie. Yup. So y'all wanna watch it? Yeah, we love to watch it. Yep. Yup.
Hi, I'm Bobby. My name's Tyrone. I'm Nicola. I'm Tasha.
Alright. This is nothing you're gonna have to move. Yeah. You're gonna have to move. Yeah. Here's your TV. Yup, here's our TV. Yep, y'all get to watch some TV. Yup. Well, guys, I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, come back anytime. Alright. Alright, guys, so we're gonna try our fruits out. Yup, and Mr. Scully can see TV. Yep. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna try so I can see TV. Yeah, me too. Yeah. This card. Yep. Yup. So I'm gonna try out my chocolate ice cream. This chocolate ice cream is so good. Yep. So I'm gonna try my ice cream. This is good. Yep. So great. Sitting in a chair. Yup. This is so good. Oh, look at yourself. It fell. I know you guys. Yo, I think we're finished. Yeah. Yup, same as us. We're finished. Yep. Y'all can set your caps up here in the top. Yup. Hiya! 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 Gossip! Yup, the big spot. Yup, that was Ghost's card. I know. Yeah.
Men just like to steal pies, so I must always be on guard. I've come to you today because I want to learn to make pie.
I guess the team cut off. Yup, but seriously, the storm is on now. Yo, I don't hear anything. Let's go back Yeah, but it was pretty, right? Yeah. Yes, we'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah, bye, guys. Bye, guys.